Good morning, students. Myself Renu Bansal, your maths teacher. I welcome you back and I hope you are fit and fine at your place. Students, from today we are going to start our half yearly syllabus of maths. We have 3 chapters here: subtraction, division and multiplication. So students, today we are going to start with subtraction. So let's start our work. So students, let's start our half yearly syllabus. This is chapter 3 and our topic is subtraction. Today we will learn about subtraction. So first of all, I'll tell you what is subtraction. Subtraction means taking away one or more numbers from another bigger number. Students, look at the example. If I have 5 apples with me and I give 2 apples to my friend, how many apples are left with me now? So let's find out the answer. How we will find out? First of all, we will count the total number of apples. So let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many apples we have? We have 5 apples with me. And how many apples I give to my friend? 1, 2. 2 apples. Now how many apples are left with me? Let's count and find out the answer. 1, 2, 3. How many apples left with me? 3 apples. So students, what is subtraction? Subtraction means taking away one or more numbers from another bigger number is called subtraction. Friends, the symbol of subtraction is minus. This is the symbol of subtraction. I have used this symbol here. So this is called minus. So students, now let's learn about the terms of subtraction. Students, here we have 3 numbers: 5, 2 and 3. So what is 5 here? Let's learn about this. The number being subtracted from is called minuend. So 5 is here minuend. Next number is 2. What is 2 here? The number being subtracted is called subtrahend. The number being subtracted is called subtrahend. And now we have one more number here. Here we have 3. So what is 3 here? The new number left after subtracting is called difference. So students, now let's learn about the properties of subtraction. The difference of a number and 0 is always the number itself. Here we have first example. Here we have 7 and we will minus 0 from 7. Then the answer will be the difference of a number and 0 is always the number itself. So when we subtract 0 from 7, then what will we get? We will get 7. We will get the number itself. So our answer is 7 here. Now come to the next point. The difference of a number from itself is always 0. Means when we subtract a number from itself, then we get 0. Here we have 6 and we are subtracting 6 from the 6. Then what will we get? We will get 0. Means the difference of a number from itself is always 0. Now come to the next point. If we subtract 1 from a number, we get the previous number. Here we have number 5 and we are going to subtract 1 from 5. Then what will we get? We will get the previous number of 5. Then our answer will be 4. We will get 4. So students, I think you understood very well. Students, now we will learn writing the numbers in columns and subtraction. How to write the numbers in column and subtraction. So if we have a number here 56 and one more number 99. So we have two numbers here 56 and we will subtract 56 from 99. So first of all we will learn how to write these numbers in columns. So students, first of all what will we do? At first we will write the place value. We have 2-digit numbers here. So first of all we will write ones and tens. Now which number we will write first? We will write the bigger number first. We will write the larger number first. Here we have 56 and 99. Which number is larger? 99. 99 is a larger number. So first of all, which number we will write? 99. And we will start writing from ones place. 9 and at tens place we will write now 9. 99. Now we have next number 56. Another number is 56. Now we will write this number and we are going to start from ones place again. We will write 6 here at ones place and then we will write 5. Now we will put the sign of subtraction. Now we will subtract these numbers and then we will find the difference. We start subtraction from ones place. So here at ones place we have 9 and our another digit is 6. So when we subtract 6 from 9 we get 3. When we subtract 6 from 9 we get 3. Now come to the tens place digits. At tens place we have 9 and 5. So when we subtract 5 from 9 we get 4. When we subtract 5 from 9 we get 4 and we will write 4 at tens place. So students, our answer is 43. What is the difference now? 43. So students, I think you understood very well. Now what will you do? This is your homework. This is page number 47 and this is exercise 3.1. You will complete the first question of this exercise. Write the numbers correctly in columns and subtract. So look at the A part. Here we have two numbers 8 and 49. So we will subtract 8 from 49. As I told you, which number we will write first? We will write the bigger number first. Which is the bigger number here? 49. 49 is the bigger number here. So first of all we will write 49 here. 9 and 4. Then which number we will write? 8. We will write 8 at ones place. And then we will subtract this number. So students, in this way you will complete this question.